In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a head and shoulders pattern on TradingView, quick and easy. First, make sure you're on your TradingView chart. You can use any market or time frame you like because this tool works the same way across all charts. Once your chart is open, move your eyes to the upper left side of the screen. This is where most of the drawing tools and patterns are located. Look for the icon or menu labeled Patterns. Go ahead and click on that. TradingView gives you a list of different chart patterns you can draw, and from this list, you want to select Head and Shoulders. As soon as you click it, your cursor will turn into a drawing tool that lets you place the structure directly on your chart. Now you'll start building the pattern by clicking several points. The first click creates the starting point on the left side, which will usually be the beginning of your left shoulder. Your second point will mark the first low, helping outline what will eventually become the neckline. The third point goes up to form the top of the head, which is typically higher than the shoulders. Next, place your fourth point at the low after the head, lining up near that neckline area again. Your fifth point goes up to create the right shoulder, which is usually similar in height to the left shoulder. Then, place your sixth point back down at the neckline level. Finally, your last point completes the pattern, extending the neckline so you can clearly see the structure. Once the pattern is drawn, you can explain or analyze what this head and shoulders shape suggests for price action, such as a potential trend reversal. You're not locked in to where you first clicked, though. You can move or adjust any of the points or the lines to better match the actual swing highs and lows on your chart. You can also fully customize how the pattern looks. Click on templates to save or apply visual styles you like. You can change the color of the lines, the background shading of the pattern, and even the text color for the labels. You can adjust the line tool width to make the lines thinner or thicker, depending on what's easier for you to see. If you open the settings, you'll find more options for fine-tuning how the pattern appears and behaves. You can lock the pattern so you don't accidentally move it while analyzing, or click remove if you want to delete it. The three dots or More menu will give you additional quick options. From here, you can continue explaining how you use the head and shoulders pattern in your own TradingView analysis to spot potential reversals and plan your trades more clearly.